The Stone Harbor Bird Sanctuary is a 21-acre national natural landmark. It is a place of biodiversity. 4 trails enter the sanctuary. The Heron Walk and the Meadow Walk are flat and accessible to all ages. The sanctuary is a recipient of the Pennsylvania Horticultural Society's Community Greening Award. The Heron Walk, off 3rd Avenue Information Center, takes us into the saltwater wetlands. Flanked by butterfly gardens, we find a very quiet, secluded spot to just sit and listen. The Meadow Walk, also off 3rd Avenue, divides freshwater wetlands on our left from the teeming saltwater wetlands on our right, a favorite haunt of crabs, small fish and their hunters, the egrets and the great blue herons. This trail takes us to the edge of night heron roosting sites. The Egret Espy Trail starts on 2nd Avenue in a pine grove planted many years ago as a Boy Scout project. A rustic footbridge takes us across the barrier dune and leads us down into the maritime forest. Some of our visitors are almost too tiny to notice, and a resting osprey knows that we're here. The Holly Path, also off 2nd Avenue, enters the maritime forest through our Potteresque sassafras stand and past our 400-year-old holly tree, and then down to the nesting sites of the rare night herons. This is a quiet place, a sanctuary. Come join us on our 10 o'clock guided tours Saturday and Sunday mornings in the summer at the 2nd Avenue portal to the Holly Path.